This is Walmart's new Android TV streaming stick. Let's see what's in the box. Dave Taylor here, and I'm pretty psyched to get my hands on the ONN FHD streaming stick from Walmart. This is an Android TV device that you plug into the back of your TV or computer monitor, and suddenly you have a smart TV. Pretty cool idea. Now, there are plenty of other alternatives on the market, so it's interesting that Walmart's doing this. But right now, they have one of the very lowest cost devices that gives you all of this functionality. And it even includes a remote and even includes the batteries for the remote. So let me tell you just a tiny bit about it, and then we'll crack open the box. Then I'll plug it into a screen and we'll see what comes up. So Android TV, which means you hook it up to your Google account and it gives you access to a ton of channels. On the bottom, it lists Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, HBO Max, YouTube TV, Hulu, Peacock, ESPN, Stars, Paramount, Google Play, thousands more. Not listed here is Apple TV Plus. You can do that through a web browser. That's probably the biggest limitation, is that Android TV does not have native support for Apple TV because Apple wants you to buy an Apple TV. Sorry, Apple TV Plus, Apple TV. You know what I mean, right? So it includes Dolby Audio and it works on Wi-Fi. It supports 802.11 A, B, G, N, and AC. So you will have this rock and roll with 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. It can handle 100 to 240 volts of input power, and it's FHD, which is full HD, which means you get a full 1080p signal. Hopefully it'll look really clean and look really beautiful. Now, it's not 4K, but honestly, a lot of people with 4K TVs don't really have much in the way of 4K sources. And my experience is that a full HD signal looks pretty clean on a 4K TV. So that might not be an issue, particularly if you're looking for something at the really budget entry-level price. Now, let's start opening it with my unboxing tool. Be careful with these at home. And interestingly, there's no tape on the device, which I thought was an interesting choice by Walmart. Usually things are pretty secure. But open it up, and first off, this color, kind of whack. Not a big fan of this color, but I know, whatever, it's just color, right? So, unbox, let's see what's in here. There is a quick start guide, nice and handy. Again, super interesting color choices. And then here's what's in the box. So what do we have? We have, at its most important, the actual unit itself. This is the ONN FHD streaming stick, and it basically has HDMI on the end, and then on the side there's a teeny tiny little micro USB source that you plug in and it powers this thing up. So we have the device, we need power for it. So one of the things that is very obvious is that it also comes with, well, assuming I can get it out, the problem with unboxing is you have to be able to unbox things, right? Is a wall charger, but you probably won't need this. Most modern TVs and certainly most computer monitors have powered USB 3 plugs on the back of the device. So probably you can power this up without having to use the wall plug at all. But it does include all of that. Now, underneath the stick is this, very useful. This is an HDMI extender cable. But the idea of this is that a lot of TVs, the HDMI port is kind of inaccessible or in a weird location. So you can plug this into your TV and then plug the device itself into the extender, and now you have a whole heck of a lot more flexibility. Smart. Now, on the other side, we have batteries for the remote control. It's very nice of them to include that. Remember that old batteries not included? I guess companies aren't doing that so much anymore. Then we have the remote controls. Very nice and simple. It's super light. And on the bottom, there are 4 shortcuts to YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and HBO Max. Worth noting, on the top, there's a button that lets you use voice. So once you have this all hooked up and configured, you can push, and then you can say something like, play Bridgerton on Netflix, and then Google Android TV will figure out what to do. So here's a close-up so you can see all the buttons and everything, but suffice to say, an entirely functional remote, if not perhaps too many buttons. So it might be a little bit complicated. And then underneath that is a piece of cardboard, very exciting. And then underneath that, finally, the last thing in our box is actually a micro USB to USB 3.0 cable. So that's micro USB on one end, and USB 3 is the rectangular one on the other end. And this cable is about 5 feet long. And the idea of this is that you plug it into here as needed, and then you plug it into the side of the actual streaming stick, and now you're good to go. You plug this into the TV, you plug this into power as needed, and you are ready to rock and roll. Now, all of this is included in the price, and it's a screaming good deal. It's a really inexpensive product. This is an easy way to take really any old TV or even a computer monitor and make it a smart TV. Super easy. In fact, give me a second and I have a computer monitor. We're gonna plug it in and we'll at least see what happens when we power it up. All right, so I have this beautiful new ViewSonic monitor that I'm testing out right now, and I thought, hey, it has HDMI input, let's give it a try. So I have the cable plugged in to the HDMI input, and then the power cable I have plugged into an onboard USB 3 plug on the monitor itself. So theoretically, at least, all I need to do is plug the streaming stick into the HDMI and then give it power. And I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of micro USB, but I've powered up the stick, and let's just see if the monitor sees it. That looks promising. And we'll see what happens when you power it up. Now, there's a lot of configuration you have to do to sign into your Google account and everything, so I'm not going to do a full install and everything, but here we go. So it is actually starting up, and it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing else I have to do. All I'm going to need is, with the remote, I'm going to need to actually sign into my Google account, and then by default, I should be able to gain access to all of those other streams, at which point I will then have to sign into each of those streaming services too, but you only have to do that once. And here we are. You can see the remote lets me actually pair it and everything. So I'm not going to go any further than this, but I will tell you this is going to be pretty simple and straightforward. And what I really like is I've turned this computer monitor into a smart TV. How cool is that? Now, the only other thing I need to do is talk about the price. But before I do that, I just want to say that yes, this competes directly with things like the Roku and the Amazon Fire Stick and such. They're all similar designs. They all require power. They all generally can be plugged into USB. One of the things I really like about this is because it's running Android TV, it means it also runs Chromecast. And that means that on your computer, you can probably just send wirelessly video content to your new ONN powered smart TV. So super simple, super straightforward. We use Chromecast a lot in this house. If I'm on a Zoom conference or something, I'll often just Chromecast it to whatever TV is near me so that I can continue working or do stuff on my computer while I'm watching what's going on. And that's all built in to this, along with all those video streaming services. Pretty sweet. Now, before we get to the price, I also want to ask if you could subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click or tap on that subscribe button. Give me some feedback, leave a comment telling me what you wish I would have shown in a little more close-up or detail. Give me a thumbs up if you found this useful and interesting. And definitely this is one worth checking out from Walmart. Props to them for coming up with something at this price. And what is that price? Well, this is the ONN FHD streaming stick, and it's $24.88 at walmart.com. And right now it looks like they're not mailing them, so you're gonna have to go into a local store, but you can go to walmart.com, check local inventory, and you can pick one up. Heck, you can have them bring it out to you, which is what I did, which was actually really nice. I just pulled up and pushed a button, and young man ran out and said, here you go, and that was it. Easy Easy, easy. Definitely one to check out, and I will try to circle back around once it's fully configured and give you a demo. But for now, that's my unboxing of the Walmart ONN FHD streaming stick. So I'm gonna get it configured, which means I'll catch you in my next video.